Hello, my name is Kaitlyn Reilly, and I am a junior advertising and media studies double major. And this fall, I am the strategic communications and PR intern with the company Hustle & Co., which is a PR boutique located out in Los Angeles, California. I learned about this internship opportunity from Professor Carney herself, who mentioned that a Quinnipiac alum, Jen DiMartino-Callister, who runs Hustle & Co., needed a new intern for the fall semester. I personally emailed Jen myself and also applied on the Quinnipiac University Career Connections page, QUCC. I applied with my resume and a formal cover letter. Soon after that, I had a Zoom interview that took about 20 minutes with my now boss, Brooke. The interview was not intimidating at all, and I talked a lot about my previous internship experience and what I am looking for in my next internship. I also learned a lot about the company and what they do. At the end of the interview, I was offered the position, which I gladly accepted. My boss, Brooke, and I both work closely and independently on tasks I am given throughout the day. Since I am working remotely, I usually get a morning email about some tasks that I need to complete by the end of the day. Throughout the day itself, I work pretty independently, but Brooke always makes herself available if I have any questions or need any help, which is the perfect work style for me. Together, we communicate on an application called Slack and use Google Meet to talk back and forth about tasks throughout the day, and I get to hop on meetings with the rest of the team about certain projects that they are working on. One thing in particular that I love about this internship is that no day is ever the same, and the work that I'm given is engaging and challenging in a really good way. One of my responsibilities is social media reporting for some projects going on, such as Lacoste times the Everglades Foundation and Lacoste with National Geographic. Almost every day I check on influencers' Instagrams to see if they've posted GIFs or mentioned the client that we are representing on their social media. I then take screenshots and screen recordings of these posts and put them in a Google Drive folder, as well as edit the screenshots, documents, and edit the spreadsheets of who posted and who has yet to post. Another responsibility of mine is media clippings and creating press kits. So when an outlet like, for example, Athleisure Magazine or James Lane Post mentions the client that we are working with in an article, I create a media clipping of my screenshots of photos and texts, and I put it together on a Google Doc to send to the client of the press that was received. I also work on press kits to be sent out to clients that we are working on. I attached a screenshot of one I did recently with a celebrity, Charlotte McKinney's new guest line being featured on Marie Claire magazine. Recently, I have been working independently on a gift guide research project with one of my bosses, Jen, to see which media outlets have ran gift guides for the season so far and if they had done them in the past or not. This research is really great because we get to see which outlets we can still pitch to. I enjoy doing this because it requires me to do a lot of my own research, which I like. I've also been working on a brand guide with an event, the restaurant Fig and Olive and Olivia Palmero, by writing and attaching images and information about which brands that we are going to be selling products at this event. One thing in particular that I am proud of is my press releases. I drafted 5 pitches to different college towns with the fitness training program we're working with, F45, coming out or reopening in their area due to COVID. I definitely took a lot of my knowledge from my past communications courses at Quinnipiac to complete this task. I'm really excited to be continuing this internship throughout the rest of the year, and I am looking forward to learning new skills that I will be able to apply in my future career.